Understanding, to be fed up, mastering English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the common English phrase, to be fed up. This phrase is widely used in everyday conversations, and understanding its nuances can really enhance your English fluency. So, let's get started and explore what it means to be fed up. To be fed up is an idiomatic expression that means to be frustrated, annoyed, or tired of a situation, person, or thing. It's often used when someone has reached their limit of tolerance. For example, I am fed up with this noisy environment. Here, the speaker is expressing their frustration or displeasure with the ongoing noise. Understanding the context is crucial. This phrase is often used in situations where someone is expressing their emotional state about something that has been bothering them over a period of time. For instance, she is fed up with the constant delays in the project. This implies a buildup of frustration over time. Let's look at some examples. I'm fed up with waiting, I'm leaving. He's fed up with the way he's been treated at work. Variations of this phrase include sick and tired, or simply tired. For example, I'm sick and tired of these constant arguments. When someone says they are fed up, their body language and tone often reflect their frustration. They might speak in a stern or exasperated tone, and their body language may be closed off or agitated. And that wraps up our discussion on the phrase, to be fed up. Remember, it's a powerful expression to convey frustration or annoyance. Use it to express yourself more vividly in English. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay curious, and keep learning. See you in our next video.